yeah, this is my beauty Civic.
Jack can do a push-up with the boat.
Oh yeah. I get 15 pounds of meat tomorrow, so I'm not even upset. Really got a new gun.
It's so big.
So pretty.
It's so Russian. It's so girthy.
So girthy. It's April 16th. What's up? There's Vic.
Oh, she hadn't.
You can't hide, baby.
No.
Look, turn around.
No.
No, like, I'm still got you.
You're doing that? That is not how you hide from
That is
something.
the wrong angle to be portrayed in.
You said you washed your hair and egg today. Shouldn't you be feeling special?
Hey, Ray, get out of here! Ray! I can't see you.
Dang, now it just
I
needs a
can see
little
it, right?
scope.
I can literally see it. Stop!
Hi, baby.
Yo, what's up?
Yo, what's up? Anyways.
I guess I'm learning Russian next.
Me and Jack worked all day together, so that was pretty good. Changed some lights. Put on a plug. It wasn't a super busy day today.
No, it really wasn't.
No. That's okay. Well, whenever your heart desires.
That sounds difficult.
Well, then do whatever you want. You don't have to do a long one. You can just do whatever you want.
Oh, no. I'm gonna show you my mad trumpet skills, yo.
Alright.
Fuck. Wait, that was the warm-up. Get back here, Vicky. Be my audience. Fuck. That's hard.
Okay.
My lips hurt. Say it, spray it, alright?
Yeah.
My lips hurt.
What's up, guys? I know I've been really crappy with vlogs today, but that's okay. I've just been enjoying the car and also trying my best in Apex. I will show you the car tomorrow. It's exciting because it should be it's ready. And by it's ready, I'm ready.
And he's learning to drive it.
Learning, yeah. But way better today than yesterday. Mucho excito. I can blast Ariana in peace, you know what I'm saying?
Oh my God.
So excited. I don't even know what's going on tomorrow because it seems to be a pretty continual habit that we don't know what we're doing till the morning.
Wing it.
It's my favorite. I think I know what I'm doing on Thursday, but that's great. So, wait. Actually, I wonder how that's gonna work on Thursday. Am I getting like a work vehicle, or am I just gonna ask me to drive to the beacon?
I don't know.
Let's hope for the first one. So yeah, it's probably like a shitty vlog today. I have so much editing to do tomorrow, and Mark Dudley I think is coming over tomorrow. I have to edit a whole episode tomorrow. I have to do that. And yeah, that's that. Don't forget, like the vlogs, hit that subscribe button. You know, we got 2 subs away. By the time you all ever actually see this, who knows what it's actually gonna be like? Because you know I'm really bad at editing vlogs sometimes and all the time. And share the videos, tell your friends, because you know, look at me, I'm awesome. Catch you tomorrow.